Hi guys, again with another video. Here is the another item. A 3-inch one fast charge. This is the for iPhone or smartphone. iPhone smart. This is CW305 3-inch one fast charge. So let's open the box. Here you are. What inside? Okay. Using instruction manual. Here you are. Then charger cable. Here you are. And let's see. This is the guy. All right. This is it. Okay. Let's see the. Wow. I think this is it. Let's use the picture. This is it. You put the iPhone here. You put your smart watch. This is it. So simple, but good idea. I mean, there. Alright guys, this is the item as you see in picture. Yeah. Alright, cable, I think charger space here. You put the charger cable. Okay, charger cable goes right there. Right here. Yeah, right here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.